What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on the race to the bottom and Amazon selling and the bidding wars and stuff like that. So I've been seeing a few comments or whatnot. People say, "Oh, the price is going to plummet. It's going to go down to the bottom, and no one's ever going to make any money," and blah 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 blah. Right? So look at it like this, right? Let's say you're just walking, right? You're just walking along, and then some random ass person comes up to you and was like, "Hey, let's race. Let's race. Here, put these shoes on. Let's race. Here, come on, take your shoes off and put these shoes on. Let's race. Hurry up, race. Put them on. Let's go. Let's race. Let's race. Let's race." Is there anything saying that you have to race that person? No. If there's a group of people over here and a group of people over here and they're about to have a quote unquote war, is there anything saying that you have to get into the war too? No. That's how simple it is. Don't fucking participate in the war. All you have to do is just wait them out. Because odds are, if they're buying a product for $10 and they're willing to sell it for $10 and literally lose money, they're not going to have a lot of it. A lot of people are not into this for the long run. A lot of people literally are not into this for long at all. It's going to 2 or 3 weeks max. Okay? Wait them out. Let's say you got 10 people on a product, right? They all got 10 products and 10 apiece or whatever. So you would have 100 products that you would have to wait for them to sell. Let's say it's selling out, let's say something like 5 products a day, right? It's selling out 5 products a day. That means you would have to wait 20 days before you're in the buy box and it's your turn to sell. And they were all selling for $10 and you sell it for $25, right? So that way you still get your nice little piece of change. Not bad at all, guys. All you got to do is just simply wait. That's it. Wait. It's nothing saying you have to get into the wars. It's nothing saying that you have to go, a penny lower, a dollar lower. Let them sell out. You don't need to have these wars with people, because when you do that, a lot of people forget these fees because of the back end doesn't really show it until it's sold. So if they buy it for $10 and they see a $20 sale back there, they're thinking it's all sweet when in reality they're not making any money at all because of the FBA fees. All right, so don't sell stuff at cost. Don't lose money. There's no point in that. There's no point in getting into this to lose money. You're just giving away the products for free. What's the point of putting in all the time and effort of going out and scanning and looking around and buying all this stuff just to lose money? You might as well just sat at home. There's no point in doing that. All right. So yeah, guys, there really isn't anything saying you have to participate in the bidding wars. It's very simple. Just don't participate. If they want to sell all their products for dirt cheap, let them sell out. You come back, when the price goes back up or they're all sold out, then you can get yours. Be patient. Again, there's nothing saying you have to race to the bottom with the other people. You don't need to participate in the race. You don't need to participate in the bidding wars. Let them sell out. That's it. Let them get their sales out the way let them make $2 so that way then in a week or two from now, you can make $10. All right. Again, sticking to this for the long haul, guys. I'd rather make $10, for each product a month from now than 50 cents right now. All right. So you start thinking further ahead. And again, if you don't have a lot of money or anything along those lines, you just need to well, I can't even say that because if you're selling it for dirt cheap, you're not going to be making that much money anyway. So you might as well just wait it out. Wait the people out who got a better deal than you or, simply just want to sell it just for the hell of it, Let them get out the way, all right? You don't have to participate or anything along those lines. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below.